Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a project share this morning. I am joining hashtag #SatMoreMakes. This is Jill, who is Jillian Norwood Designs the Greenwood Girl Cards hashtag, and she wants us to craft all week and then share what we made on Saturday morning. So normally I am a card maker. That's normally what I make, but over the years I have made tons of banners and decorations for parties, baby showers, wedding, you name it. So I thought I'd share with you some designs I made for a baby shower. And this is where your Cricut comes into play. I have a Cricut maker. I had the older Cricut, and then I sold that one and moved up, and then I moved up again. So Cricut has always been one of my main tools in my craft room, especially when I'm making decorations like this. So the theme of the baby shower is baby animals, and I picked this up from Design Space, and then I made it as large as I could using the 12 by 12 mat that you use on Cricut. And so here's my little baby creatures that I want to show. Not creatures, but animals that I wanted to share with you this morning. So I've got the little panda and the little zebra, and these take a lot of time because you not only have to cut it out, but then you have to put it together, and it takes a little bit more time than people probably realized to create these, but I think they turned out adorable. Now this was my first one, the little giraffe here. Let me move some of these so you can see the colors a little bit better. So here's the little giraffe, and I thought he was a little small, so then I subsequently made some of the little creatures a little bit bigger. And what I'll do is when we have the baby shower at work, we'll put these all over on the wall, and they'll make a really cute impact as far as the decorations. I also made some little tiny ones that are gonna help be designs for the centerpieces for the tables. I'm gonna place these on straws and then put them in like floral designs or maybe just some greenery. I'm not sure yet, but oops, dropped one. But here's and you can see they're all different kind of sizes. He's a little big, but I'll probably make him over because I want them all to be relatively small like this. And then my bear came, this is me, hours of crafting and then creating these designs. So along with the cute little baby animals, I made a banner. So the banner says, "Welcome baby." And so our room that we're gonna decorate has a really kind of a beigey wall, so I chose some colors that'll really pop. And so this pink and teal is one of the colors that the baby's room is being decorated in. So these are the colors that I chose. And so I popped these up using foam squares to give a little dimension. And this, like I said, this says "Welcome baby." And then I have two other end flags that I haven't completed yet. I'm going to put a bow on them or animal. I'm not sure as of yet, but I just thought I'd share that with you. Like I said, I've done so much of this over the years, and I never share it on my YouTube channel. I don't know why, but I thought you would enjoy seeing these designs. So if you have any questions or, give me a thumbs up. Like, those are the little babies, but I think I want to say that the lion is my favorite. I think he is so cute, but then again, I'm kind of digging on the cute little zebra. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a nice weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.